A blessed day, dear learners. Prepare yourselves for an enriching voyage into the world of knowledge and enjoyment with today's video. We are delving into the captivating topic of unveiling shadows, the intricate tapestry of criminal investigation and the pioneers who shaped its evolution. Please keep your well-being in mind, and may you always be blessed. You've entered the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel. Welcome aboard.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. What is the primary goal of criminal investigation? A. Establishing innocence. B. Proving guilt. C. Mediation. D. Rehabilitation. How is an investigator defined? A. Legal scholar. B. One who conducts an inquiry. C. Forensic analyst. D. Judge. What is the Latin origin of the word investigation? A. Investitus. B. Investigatus. C. Vestigium. D. Investigare. What does crime scene investigation involve? A. Legal arguments. B. Collection of physical evidence. C. Political analysis. D. Historical research. What is a formal investigation? A. Informal inquiry by individuals. B. Government-conducted official inquiry. C. Media investigation. D. Corporate inquiry. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If yes, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. We will help you deepen your understanding through this video.
Criminal investigation an art, as well as a science, which deals with the identity and location of the offender while proving his guilt through criminal proceedings. Isang sining, pati na rin ang agham, na tumatalakay sa pagkakakilanlan at lokasyon ng nagkasala habang pinatutunayan ang kanyang pagkakasala sa pamamagitan ng mga pagliliti sa krimen. Investigator 1 who conducts an inquiry on a certain case or issue. Isa na nagsasagawa ng pagtatanong sa isang partikular na kaso o issue. Police science is a scientific study of the cause and effects of human action and relations. Ay isang siyentipikong pag-aaral ng sanhi at epekto ng pagkilos at relasyon ng tao. Crime scene investigation, the conduct of processes, more particularly the recognition, search, collection, handling, preservation, and documentation of physical evidence. Investigation derived from the Latin word investigatis, which means to trace or track the act or process of careful inquiry, research, and systematic examination of some scientific detail. Derived also from another Latin word, vestigium, which literally means a footprint. Ang pagsasagawa ng mga proseso, lalo na ang pagkilala, paghahanap, pagkolekta, paghawak, pangangalaga, at dokumentasyon ng pisikal na ebidensya. Pagsisiyasat nagmula sa salitang Latin na investigates, na ang ibig sabihin ay subaybayan o subaybayan ang kilos o proseso ng maingat na pagtatanong, pagsasaliksik, at sistematikong pagsusuri ng ilang siyentipikong detalye. Nagmula rin sa isa pang salitang Latin na vestigium, na literal na nangangahulugang isang bakas ng paa. Formal investigation, official inquiry conducted by a government agency in an effort to uncover facts and determine the truth. Opisyal na pagtatanong na isinagawa ng isang ahensya ng gobyerno sa pagsisikap na tumuklas ng mga katotohanan at matukoy ang katotohanan. Inquest, an effort to search for the basic cause of an incident and also to describe a form of judicial inquiry. Isang pagsisikap na hanapin ang pangunahing dahilan ng isang insidente at ilarawan din ang isang uri ng hudisyal na pagtatanong. Inquisition, historical description rather than a current usage to describe penetrating investigation concerning religious issues. Makasaysayang paglalarawan sa halip na isang kasalukuyang paggamit upang ilarawan ang malalim na pagsisiyasat tungkol sa mga isyu sa relihiyon. Probe, similar to formal investigation but it is an extensive, searching inquiry conducted by a government agency. Katulad ng formal na pagsisiyasat, ngunit ito ay isang malawak paghahanap na pagtatanong na isinasagawa ng isang ahensya ng gobyerno. Research refers to the careful, patient investigation done by a scientist or scholar. Tumutukoy sa maingat at matiyagang pagsisiyasat na ginawa ng isang siyentipiko o scholar. Investigative reporting, a recent type of investigation conducted by members of the press. Isang kamakailang uri ng pagsisiyasat na isinagawa ng mga miyembro ng pamamahayag. Jonathan Wild, London's most effective criminal investigator and employing a thief to catch a thief. Ang pinaka-epektibong kriminal na investigador ng London at gumagamit ng magnanakaw upang mahuli ang isang magnanakaw. Eugene Francois Vidocq, former convict who became a Paris investigator and introduced the trade protection policy, which became the forerunner of the credit card system. Dating convict na naging Paris investigator at nagpakilala ng trade protection policy na naging forerunner ng credit card system. Alan Pinkerton, America's most famous private investigator and the founder of the American Criminal Investigation System. Ang pinakatanyag na pribadong investigador ng Amerika at ang tagapagtatag ng sistema ng pagsisiyasat ng kriminal sa Amerika. Alphonse Bertillon, father of anthropometric measurement and the founder of criminal identification. Ama ng anthropometric measurement at ang nagtatag ng criminal identification. Dr. Arthur Conan Doyle popularized scientific criminal investigation by creating the fictional detective, Sherlock Holmes. Pinasikat ang siyentipikong pagsisiyasat ng kriminal sa pamamagitan ng paglikha ng kathang-isip na detective na Sherlock Holmes. Dr. Paul Kirk, one of the best-known American criminalists. Isa sa mga kilalang Amerikanong kriminal. Trichotomy of criminal investigation. Trichotomy ng pagsisiyasat ng kriminal. Training, the academic and technical preparation of criminal investigators. Ang akademiko at teknikal na paghahanda ng mga kriminal na investigador. Tools, the devices and equipment used in criminal investigation. Ang mga aparato at kagamitan na ginagamit sa pagsisiyasat ng kriminal. Technique, the unique means and processes applied in dealing with varied crimes and incidents. Ang natatanging paraan at prosesong ginagamit sa pagharap sa iba't ibang krimen at insidente. Rule of law, the heart of the criminal investigation process. Ang puso ng proseso ng pagsisiyasat ng kriminal. Fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine, evidence obtained as a result of an illegal operation. Ebidensyang nakuha bilang resulta ng isang ilegal na operasyon. Due process defined as, it hears before it condemns. Tinukoy bilang, nakikinig ito bago ito humatol. 6 Cardinal Principles of Investigation. 6 na pangunahing prinsipyo ng pagsisiyasat. What? Ano? How? Paano? Who? Sino? Where? Saan? When? Kailan? Why? Bakit?
What does the term inquest refer to in criminal investigation? A. A formal investigation. B. A judicial inquiry. C. A historical analysis. D. A scientific examination. Who is Jonathan Wild known as in criminal investigation history? A. Founder of forensic science. B. London's most effective criminal investigator. C. Father of criminal identification. D. American private investigator. What is investigative reporting? A. Scientific criminal investigation. B. Government inquiry. C. Media-led inquiry. D. Historical examination. Who is considered the father of anthropometric measurement in criminal identification? A. Eugene Francois Vidocq. B. Alan Pinkerton. C. Alphonse Bertillon. D. Dr. Paul Kirk. What did Dr. Arthur Conan Doyle popularize in criminal investigation? A. Anthropometric measurement. B. Forensic science. C. Scientific criminal investigation. D. Fictional detective Sherlock Holmes. What is the trichotomy of criminal investigation composed of? A. Time, effort, result. B. Training, tools, technique. C. Technique, tools, time. D. Training, time, effort. What does the fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine pertain to? A. Illegal substances. B. Evidence obtained illegally. C. Poisonous plants. D. Forensic analysis. What does the rule of law represent in criminal investigation? A. Legal guidelines for investigators. B. Central principle of the investigation process. C. Code of conduct for investigators. D. Legal restrictions on evidence. What does due process involve? A. Legal hearing before condemnation. B. Quick judgment without hearing. C. Mediation process. D. Criminal profiling. Which is not one of the 6 cardinal principles of investigation? A. What? B. How? C. Why not? D. When? Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you found our teacher Lumaban's self-learning video enjoyable and informative. If you gained new knowledge from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We value your feedback. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope to see you again in our next video. May God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.